Today we're at Tredegar Sports Centre in Tredegar's community kit room. So a busy part of the year being Christmas, so we'll have sort of individuals and families sort of inquiring about the community kit room. We'll have sort of referrals from external agencies as well.
We supported nearly 600 individuals by providing near 1,200 items of clothing and footwear. Obviously these clothing then will help the individuals join sports clubs, just take part in the gym sessions, or even just take part in sport recreationally outside of work and school.
Sport is extremely important for young people. As the sports surveys say, all across Wales, not enough of our children are taking part in sport each week, and they're certainly not accessing sport outside of school within our communities, which is something that we really want to change. It's not only their fitness, but their physical health. But I think the biggest thing for us is their mental health, what it can do for those children moving forward, how they feel about themselves, that they feel part of a community, that sense of belonging.
The experience I've had in sports has helped me become the person I am really, so if we can give that experience to the younger kids and taking barriers away for clothing and transport and things like that, so obviously give them the experiences they may not have otherwise.
And I think those children that take part in sport within school and outside of school, we certainly see the benefits then as teachers and within our schools on those children.
First idea came through boots, but we thought we'd have to make it a bit more wider than football boots or rugby boots and things like that. So we thought, why not just go through, sports clothing and sports footwear. We sort of met with sort of senior leaders then and to see, where and how operationally it can work. And luckily enough, we was able to refurbish rooms within our sports centres.
It was a missing link. It was something that for us as staff, we worked closely with them and did a donation day to raise the profile of it within our school, to show parents and to show our families what they could access through community kit room.
We've got a number of donation bins now across Blaen y Gwent, 7 cardboard bins, so they were put in in our sports centres to start with and our libraries. And then luckily through linking with the Blaen y management team, we had, I think it was 20 recycling bins donated to us that we got labelled up with our logos and things on them, and now they've been placed in sports clubs, organisations and other areas where we have a lot of public in throughout Blaen y Gwent. The donation levels have obviously increased and allowed us then to kind of deal with more requests as they've come in. So it's a constant process now of we can donate donations from the community, and then obviously we hand them out when the request comes in. It's kind of a sustainable model now that we look to improve moving forward.
We're very, very grateful and reliant on the kids' room. It's been a godsend, to be honest with you.